Have you ever wondered why sometimes, despite having all these amazing technological advancements, we still struggle to be productive? It's called the productivity paradox. You see, while technology has the potential to make our lives easier and more efficient, it can also become a distraction. We find ourselves constantly checking our phones, getting lost in social media, and losing precious time. It's like a double-edged sword. So, how do we overcome this paradox? It's all about finding a balance. Setting boundaries, prioritizing tasks, and staying focused are key. Let's harness the power of technology without letting it control us. Together, we can conquer the productivity paradox and unlock our true potential.